event got started at this place. Junior Sprecher was born in this building. I believe it was 1927. He died in this building on April 1st. He spent all of his life in this community except for 3 years in Iowa when he was about 6 years old. He was a friend to many, many people. The Crud ride started because some of us riding through this little hamlet stopped here and met Junior and thought he was such a great guy, so friendly, so welcoming, that we decided to make this the site of an annual motorcycle ride, motorcycle show, motorcycle people event. Junior valued his customers, his family, his community, these beautiful Wisconsin hills and roads, and of course, one of the nation's largest collections of white deer. One of the two main people who started this event survives. Bruce Finlayson is gone, but Randy Abendroth, here on my right, is one of the two who started the event. And he'd like to briefly give you a quote from Junior Sprecher and whatever other comments he has.
Hey y'all, I got short and sweet at the top of my notes. But first off, I want to start with thanking some of the people that are important to us. The village of Pine Bluff, this beautiful village of Leland, the Dane County Sheriff's Department, the Sauk County Sheriff's Department, the Honorable Sauk County Sheriff's Department, the Cruds, and most important, you all. Now on to Junior. This is all about Junior today. I have one thing to read to you, and I'm done. When things get bad, pick yourself up off the mat, go back to your corner, shake it off, come out swinging. That was how Junior lived. That's how we all should live. Get up and get going. Move forward. This will move forward. This event will not end. We move on. Thanks for coming. God bless Junior.
Junior was a boxer in his childhood days. He learned to fight, he learned to defend himself, he learned to be tough, but he was also wise about people and was good about picking out the character of the people that came into his business and visited him. And interestingly, he thought that we motorcyclists were some of the good character people that he could completely trust and welcome into his business. And we're glad the people of Leland welcomed us besides. Let's have a cheer for Junior and wind this up and go back to visiting and looking at bikes. For Junior!